Guys, I just wanted to share a quick red bean and rice cook up in my slow cooker. I had some chicken broth. I put the red beans, and then I had some onions and some tomatoes, and I also added some garlic, ginger. I added some parsley. We in the Caribbean love to flavor our stuff. So I add some pine, some basil, some moringa. So now I'm adding the rice. I said pine. Thyme is what I wanted to say. Check out these handles. If you're not subscribed and watching, check it out. Mix everything in together. And you're probably saying, but this thing looks dry. Ladies and gentlemen, once the broth, as you're seeing here, started to get hot, you see what happened? Cover everything. I didn't need to add anything. It flavored because my broths are really flavorful. It flavored the rice. It didn't need anything. And it was really delicious. I will put all the ingredients also in the description. This took about 3 hours to cook on a low heat. Don't forget to check out all of these other videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.